Do you ever feel awkward when someone starts a conversation in English? Don't worry. Today, I'll show you how to make small talk about everyday topics like weather, hobbies, and weekend plans. By the end of this video, you'll be able to start conversations confidently, anytime, anywhere. Let's start with a simple question. Why is small talk important? Small talk means friendly, casual conversation. It's not about serious topics. It's about being polite, friendly, and open. For example, when you meet someone new, you casually don't start with a deeper question. Instead, you begin with small talk like, how's the weather? Or, did you have a nice weekend? Now, here's why small talk is powerful. Connection. Small talk helps you connect with people. Imagine meeting a new colleague. A quick chat about weather can make you both feel comfortable. Practicing small talk improves your speaking confidence. The more you do it, the easier conversations begin. Small talk often leads to bigger conversations. Maybe you chat about a hobby and suddenly you find someone enjoys the same things as you. That's how friendships begin. So even it's called small talk, it's actually a big skill for communication. Examples of situations: meeting a new colleagues at work, talking to neighbors while walking outside, chatting with someone in a coffee shop. Let's start with the easiest small talk, the weather. Why? Because everyone talks about it. It's safe, simple, and natural. Think about it. Whether you are waiting for the bus, sitting with a colleague, or meeting a neighbor, the weather is always something you can mention. And the best part is, you don't need advanced vocabulary to talk about it. Let's practice a mini dialogue. It's so hot today, isn't it? Yes, I feel like summer came early this year. Here, notice how conversations start with a simple observation. It's hot today. The other person doesn't just say yes, they add a little more detail. I feel like summer came early this year. That's how you keep the conversation alive. Mini dialogue 2. Looks like it might rain later. Yeah, I hope it stops before I go home. Again, it starts with a weather comment. It might rain later. The reply adds a personal touch. I hope it stops before I go home. This makes the talk more real and friendly. Now, here's the secret: don't stop at a one sentence. Try to ask follow up question. For example, how do you usually spend rainy days? Do you like hot weather? What's your favorite season? This way, small talk about weather can grow into longer and more interesting conversation. Another great topic is hobbies. Why? Because people love talking about what they enjoy in their free time. It's personal, it's positive, and it's a fun way to learn more about someone. Let's practice a dialogue. Do you like reading? Yes, I usually read mystery novels. How about you? Here, notice two things. The question is very simple. Do you like reading? The answer is not just yes. The speaker adds detail. I usually read a mystery novel. And finally, they keep the conversation alive by asking, how about you? This shows interest in the other person and invites them to share. Mini dialogue 2. I usually play football on weekends. What's your favorite sport? I love badminton. I play with my friends after work. Again, this is perfect example of share plus ask. First, share something about yourself. I usually play football on weekends. Then, immediately ask about the other person. What's your favorite sport? This creates a natural back and forth flow. The golden rule for hobbies is don't just answer, add detail and ask a question. That way, the conversation feels two sided, not one sided. Formula: question, short answer plus detail, and ask back. For example, do you like music? Yes, I love playing guitar. What kind of music do you enjoy? Finally, let's practice small talk about weekend plans. This is super common at work or school, especially on Fridays when people ask what you'll do, and on Mondays when people ask what you did. Let's practice a mini dialogue. Do you have any plans for the weekend? Yes, I am visiting my grandparents. What about you? Here, the first person asks about future plans. The second person answers with detail, not just yes, but I am visiting my grandparents. And they keep conversation going by asking, what about you? How was your weekend? It was relaxing. I watched a new series. And you? In this case, the question is about the past. The answer gives a clear detail. It was relaxing. I watched a new series. And again, the person adds a question and you to continue the conversation. When you talk about weekends, here are some useful expressions you can use. I am planning to. I am going to. I just relaxed. I visited. I watched. I met. These phrases make your answers sound natural and friendly. Formula: ask about weekend, give detail, and ask back. For example, do you have any weekend plans? Yes, I'm going hiking with my friends. What about you? Here's something very important to remember. Small talk is not about perfect grammar. It's about being friendly, confident, and showing interest in the other person. Even if you make small mistakes, people will still enjoy talking to you if you sound warm and positive. Keep eye contact. When you look at the person while speaking, it shows confidence and respect. You don't have to stare, just look at them naturally. Looking down at your phone while talking is a wrong way. The right way is looking at the person with a friendly expression. A simple smile makes you more approachable and pleasant to talk to. It relaxes both you and the other person. Speaking with a serious face is a wrong way. The right way is smiling gently as you say hello or answer questions. Don't stop after just one answer. If they say, I play football on weekends, you can ask, oh, do you play with friends or in a team? This shows genuine interest. Small talk is not only about speaking, it's about listening. Nod, react, and show that you are paying attention. People feel good when you listen to them. So remember, confidence is more important than perfection. Even if your English isn't 100% correct, a smile, eye contact, and curiosity will make you small talk successful. So, now you know how to make small talk about weather, hobbies, and weekend plans. Practice one dialogue today with a friend and write your favorite small talk sentence in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more practical English speaking lessons. Thanks for watching. Follow for more English tips.